Good day guys, you are now watching my YouTube channel. I'm Herbert and we are now making our Easter Korean street food sandwich. First, we're gonna put some melted butter both sides of our bread. Then I prefer we can melt the butter a night before. Then in this mixtures we have like carrots, onion, and cabbage slice. And we mix it in a bowl, add some egg. We just use one egg here, salt, pepper, and sugar. Then we start already toasting the bread in the plancha. We just spread some melted butter on it. Then additional, we can add sliced ham, sliced cheeses that we can find easily in the supermarket or groceries. Then the mixture of egg and veggies, we just put it in the plancha as well to cook it up, both sides. We add like 2 spoonsful. I think it's enough. Then wait until it's cooked like this. Look at that, it's like a Japanese okonomiyaki. And I'll show you how to flave it up. Easy like this. Simple. Same with the bread. What we are aiming is like yummy, buttery, golden brown. Flip it up. Yes, smells so good. It feels like really hungry here. You can also turn the egg mixture so it will be cooked evenly. Yummy, right? Nice. Just like that. Easy and fun. And to continue, we add some more of it, melt some more butter, make it brown butter. Smells so good. Then when it's cooked, it should look like this. Okonomiyaki, yeah, Korean style. Some more ham. We cook it in advance and add some more for the kids. This is for our Sunday Easter brunch. Now we are cleaning the plancha so we can show you building the Korean street food sandwich. What I did first, put some butter on the plancha, spread it evenly. Then we need to reheat the toast, and it's more yummier. Then I'm gonna put 3 slices of ham for me, of course. I like ham. Then for the cheese, I would prefer to put it in the plancha as well, so it's like melted a bit. So ready, let's start. Put the egg mixture and cook veggies onto the bread. Then I sprinkle it with the sugar. Then I'll put the cheese. Wow, look at that. Easy and yummy. Woo! Then next, ham. 1, 2, and 3. Then I would prefer to put some ketchup, or you can use sriracha if you want some more spicy. But for me, I put some chili mayonnaise. So almost done. Just put this bread on the top. That's it. Our Korean street food sandwich is done. Cutting it up and showing you the yumminess it brings. Now it's ready to eat. Yummy, juicy, and veggie. Enjoy! And if you like this sandwich, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!